Tech-savvy millennials are changing the way businesses function. The standard consumer banks are becoming outdated as technology improves. In a standard bank, in order to conduct a transaction, the clients have to fill out withdrawal, deposit, or payment slips, and then stand in a line and wait for a teller to be available. The lobbies are usually filled with people sitting there waiting for a banker. Sometimes clients have to wait a long time for something as simple as replacing a debit card or changing an address on file. If clients want to meet with a financial advisor or mortgage banker, they will have to schedule an appointment and come back at a later time. Most banks are only open for operations from 9 a.m. to 4 or 5 p.m. and are closed on the weekends. Traditional banking is on the way out with all the new technologies that are available to us. At the beginning of 2018, Wells Fargo Bank, one of the biggest banks in the U.S., stated that they will be closing 800 or more branches by the year 2020. Other banks will be following in the same path unless they make some changes.